guys back with another video, and whoa, but it's kind of bright, isn't it? Let me get darker. It's better. Whoa. What? Okay. I got a package in the mail today, and it came with like a bag. This is the package that I got. And I ordered a squishy package, so this should be it. But it feels like there's bubble wrap in it, and it feels like there's paper inside. So I'm gonna open it first. Okay. I pull out this. And hopefully I'll see note. She probably thought that this fits, but it didn't because it's such a small envelope. But yeah. Note. So okay. When I open it, I had to fold it back. It says notes. And okay, it says Gel Kiss Slimer. Here, this is their squishy package you ordered. Hope you enjoy. So I ordered a Slow Rising Owl squishy. That was $7. Slow Rising Cake squishy. That was $4. Cupcake squishy. That was $8. Plus extras. What it looks like. She drew a picture of an M&M, but she writes and draws very cute. I don't want you guys seeing my mom's face, so I gotta cover up my face. Oh. Okay, that's what it looks like. Next thing I pull out is, it says, it's an index card, and it says, hope you enjoy your squishies and extras. One bag has notes, the other has the squishies. This is what it looks like. She highlighted it, and the highlight is pretty neat, so that. This one looks like print paper. No, it feels like it would be printed paper. She put, I'm just letting you guys read that real quick because I don't want to read it all. But she put her name. Her name is Ernest Jen. And yes, she is a girl. Okay, that's enough. I'll read it when I'm finished making the video. There's nothing else in there. So, I'm actually gonna accept her. Come on, I know it's 5 battery remaining. I better not. Come on. I know it's 5 battery remaining. Okay, but quick. Let me get my plug, sorry, my charger, and charge it before it says, oh, you have 1% remaining. Okay, charged it. So, sorry if you like music, but that sounds like it's pretty good background music, so. But, first thing I pull out of the squishy bag is, okay, first thing I pull out of the squishy bag oh, first thing I pull out of the bag is my cake squishy. Oh my gosh. It has hot glue on it. See, this is hot glue. I should probably, but that's hot glue right here. And this is hot glue, it's big too. This is hot glue. Oh my gosh, it's like glued. And I can like feel spots where she glued it. But I kind of wanted it to be slower rising. I wanted it to be slower rising, but I'll take this. But I'll take this. Okay, next thing I pull out. Here's my cupcake squishy. Wait, I haven't gotten. Okay, so first thing I pulled out was cake squishy. And that was $4, so $4 wasted. Right here, in a bunch of your face. $4 wasted. I got my garbage. They said to just throw away things that are bad. The note just fell. Got it. And the next thing I pull out of the bag is my cupcake squishy. Okay, so my cupcake squishy. Okay, so I'll show you the cupcake squishy first. What? I wanted it to be slow rising. It's fast rising. Not slow rising. I wanted it to be slow rising. I repeat, I wanted it to be slow rising. And this is like actually paper, so it can get torn. But that was... And the cupcake squishy was the most expensive. It was $8. Okay, the next and last thing is don't see my mom's face, please don't see her face. guys saw it, but this is my outfit sheet. I want this to be slower rising too. The cupcake squishy is the worst, and it's most expensive. But I will definitely return this, and this. I'm returning all of them. Even this, and this, and this. So yeah, I'm hitting the squishies as hard as I can, and I'm trying to wreck it before I send it back. Cause I want to wreck it, and I want to damage it before I send it back. Especially the cake squishy that just fell. Oh my gosh, I forgot the extras. Worse extras. Yeah, worse, there are even extras. Come on. Okay. No. So first extra I put out is Rice Krispies. Is she trying to poison me? Really? Is she trying to poison me? But these are Rice Krispies. This is Victor. She could... Yep, that is very bright. I mean, she can give me Rice Krispies. Just, not a Victor, one of the minions. But is she trying to poison me? This looks pretty. Trick you guys. It's actually pretty good. I can't eat with my two front teeth. They're not even here. I've always wanted to hear what it sounds like when I chew my food. I'll watch this video and I'll skip all the way up to when I'm eating this. But this is pretty good. I'm keeping this. I'm gonna have to. Next extra. This bracelet. And the size is right in the bracelet. It says X small. I might be just a small size, not extra small. But let's just get this over with and get this on. Because I am there's not one. I hope there's not one more extra. I hope there's completely nothing in the bag, but okay, this is pretty good. I'm keeping it. It fits on me at least. But this is pretty good, so I'm keeping it. Does it look good? Does it look good? Okay. Next and last thing I pull out is Magnetic Ludo. Do you really think Magnetic Ludo is my favorite? Seriously. Okay. They just give me this. Pretty. Wait, I feel like it opens. Oh yeah, there's this inside. A dice. Seriously? Is that how you feel about me? Seriously, a dice? Is that how you feel about me? Okay. Then there's this mess. They're all little. Get the set. Okay. There's this mess, and they all stick together. Okay, and they don't even want to stick the right way. This one is upside down, and this the right side up. Oh, right in the garbage. Another one lands in it. I'm not even gonna get it because I'd rather waste it than keep it. So I'm pretty sure that now there's one more blue. Okay, 3 yellows. Seriously, 3 yellows. 4 blues. I guess I'll let them stick. 4 greens. Come. Yeah, the way. And 3 reds. Wait, is this Despacito? Okay, this is one good part of my day. School was also bad. Why? Oh no! I shouldn't have the garbage like right next. Never mind. But I'll keep the bag. But I'll ship this Okay, no, ship it back too. Tiwa. Okay, but I'm gonna make a video after this. But like, bye guys.